In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer project in CapCut. By the end, you'll know the exact setting that ensures your project travels safely between devices or teammates without those dreaded missing file warnings. First, open CapCut on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into the workspace where your project lives. Give it a moment to load your drafts and recent work. If you're switching machines, signing into the same account helps keep everything in one place. Next, open the project you want to transfer. You can click it from your drafts, recent projects, or your workspace list. Let the timeline fully load so CapCut can read all the media on the tracks. If you see any offline media indicators, don't worry. What we're about to do helps prevent that problem in the future. With the project open, look for the Details option. This may appear near your project title, in a panel on the right, or under a three-dot menu depending on your layout. Clicking Details opens a panel that shows information about the project's storage and media. Inside that panel, click Modify. Modify lets you adjust how CapCut handles the media linked to your timeline. This matters because many projects start by referencing files from your computer's folders. If you move to a different device or send the project to someone else, those original file paths won't exist anymore, which causes broken links. Now click Copy Media to Project. This command tells CapCut to gather every clip, image, audio file, and asset used in the timeline and copy them into the project's own storage. It's like packing a suitcase with everything your edit needs, so it's self-contained and portable. Depending on your project size, you may see a short progress indicator while CapCut copies and relinks files. Keep the app open until it completes, and avoid moving or renaming your original files during this process. Once the copy is done, your project is consolidated. From here, you can move it within your workspace, back it up, or collaborate more confidently, knowing the media is bundled with the project. If you're working with limited disk space, check available storage first since copying media creates duplicates. If the button is unavailable, make sure you have permission in the current workspace and confirm your media is accessible. That's the whole process. Open CapCut, open your project, go to Details, choose Modify, then select Copy Media to project. This one setting dramatically reduces missing media headaches and makes transferring your project smooth and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.